Hi, this is Kevin with Atomic Filters, and I'm going to go through with how to change an air filter for you today. So we're taking a look at a couple of air filters. This is a dirty air filter, and this is basically a 30-day air filter that really just protects the equipment. It doesn't protect the air quality in your home. And you can see it says 30 days. This is just a synthetic fiberglass filter. This one's from Flanders. But it can get loaded up very quickly, and that can restrict the airflow. And in addition to that, it doesn't protect the air quality. So what we're going to replace it with is we're going to replace the filter with this type of filter from Atomic Filters. This is a 20x20. This is a MERV 11 filter, and this has more media, but it's also pleated, and that helps airflow. But the more media and the thicker media is going to help the airflow, and it's also going to catch more of the particulate. It's also electrostatic. It's called triboelectric, which is going to attract more dust to the filter, and it's going to protect your air quality. And this is a good filter for allergies. Also, the MERV 13 by Atomic would be a good air filter for allergies. So we're going to take a look, and you can see on the back, this is reinforced with metal, and that helps preventing the filter from collapsing. So that's a really good thing for this type of filter. So these thin filters really don't have as much support. So one of the things I recommend is shut off on your air conditioner, shut off the fan, or change the mode to off. So I'm just going to change the mode to off, and once you do, sometimes it'll take a minute for that to shut off. So you can see this is now in the off position. So that's what I've done, is I've changed it from auto to off. And then it's going to take that suction out. So I have a return grill right here, and behind this return grill is a filter. So we're just going to flip down. There's a couple of little toggles right here, and this one right here, it's a little metal toggle. And then there's one right here. And then this particular grill comes up, and you can see this is one of those dirty 30-day filters. And see how it has bent a little bit in here? That's because it doesn't have any reinforcement. And you can see that you can see right through the filter. So it really does allow a lot to go through it right here. So you can just take that and set that down. And then we're going to take one of these filters. And you want the metal on the back and this facing out. That is the direction of the airflow you want on this filter. So you're just going to take it, and you're just going to insert it in here. And then you're going to close the latches, and you can restart your motor and change the mode. I'm going to change it back to auto in this case. And you're all set. So now you're going to have cleaner air. This is Kevin from Atomic Filters. Thank you for tuning in.